कभी नहीं लगा था कि I will hear I hate Kusha Kapila from her mouth.
What's the point of this?
This is to calm your skin.
Oh my god.
This is relaxation time. Why are you making it so hard?
यार
Nano है, देख nano है.
once.
That's amazing. It's going to be my alarm.
That helps. That really helps. Oh my god. Oh my god.
My God.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no 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 no. Please.
You see her?
How is it not done? I hate having a huge face.
Scared of the video. Then the actual pain.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You got this, सृष्टि. आसान फेयर दे दिया मुझे लगता है मैंने सृष्टि का because she's done it almost.
मुंह देख ले मेरा बहन, मुंह देख ले.
Wow, it's looking beautiful. The
It's
natural flush.
All of it hurts. Okay, there is no part of my face that is not in pain right now.
What part of this were you thinking is going to be easy?
I knew.
You know
I
what?
knew what we are doing.
I am not going
Kind
to
of.
apologize
But
for
I
this.
knew. I'm not looking for an apology. But I want you to look me in the eye.
Yeah.
Bro,
I am looking you in the eye. Yes.
It's not
You
done.
know what?
I completely would like to tell you I am offended and hurt
ये procedure is
that
not
you've done this.
It's not done, but आप कुछ कर सकते हैं कि ये जो गुस्सा मेरी तरफ फेंक रही हैं.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
कभी नहीं लगा था कि I will hear I hate Kusha Kapila from her mouth.
और यहाँ भी रो रहे हैं सब, ये रोने वाला सीन चल रहा है.
बस
हो गया कितना मस्त चेहरा हो गया पता है.
Wow, सृष्टि.
यार इससे अच्छा तो मेरी झुर्रियां, मेरे wrinkle. I love my wrinkle. I love my wrinkles. I love my dark circles. I want my dark circles.
Okay.
That is the look I want.
सो ये PRP ट्यूब में जो आप ब्लड देख रहे हैं ये पेशेंट का अपना ब्लड है. सुपर सेफ है, लोडेड विद लॉट्स ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स, प्रोटीन्स एंड ग्रोथ फैक्टर्स. ये अब हम स्किन पे लगाएंगे और इसका नरिशमेंट मिलेगा स्किन को.
How is it not affecting you, Kusha?
Little bit it's affecting me, but yeah, it's a little छेड़छाड़ kind of effect. Wow, wow. Come on. It's okay. Yes, लाल मेरी सृष्टि का हाल है, लगता तुम पर कमाल है. क्या सुभाष भाई की पिक्चर? Come on, सृष्टि. पपीता नहीं ताल है. ताल. Can you believe it, सृष्टि? You did it.
That's so bad.
अभी हम बस आपको पैम्पर करने वाले हैं.
What is it?
It's a collagen mask.
What's the point of this?
This is to calm your skin. And वो जो collagen और जो हमने वो डाला है ना PRP, that will get into the skin.
I really genuinely want to say that I would not have done this ever.
नहीं करती.
I would never have let a needle touch my face had it not been for you. ये करवाने के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू. मुझे कोई धक्के मार के करवाता मैं ना करती. मुझे अगवा करके आप लेके आई हैं, वही एक तरीका था कुछ भी करवाने का मेरे मुंह पे.